Hey everyone! What if your car suddenly refuses to shift properly or doesn't recognize when you're changing gears? Imagine trying to accelerate, but the transmission just won't cooperate. If your car has thrown the P0818 transmission range display circuit high trouble code, this could indicate an issue with gear position detection. In this video we'll cover what this code means, common symptoms, possible causes, and most importantly, the exact sensor locations you need to check. Let's get started. The P0818 trouble code is related to the transmission range display circuit. This circuit is responsible for detecting and displaying the gear position. If the system detects an abnormally high voltage signal, the car might not recognize which gear it's in, leading to shifting issues or even a failure to start. Common symptoms of P0818. Gear indicator on the dashboard is incorrect or missing. Difficulty shifting into drive or reverse transmission stuck in one gear, also known as limp mode. Check engine light is on vehicle, may not start in park or neutral. If you're facing these issues, let's locate the key sensors and components. Transmission range sensor, also called neutral safety switch. Location, mounted on the transmission housing near the gear selector linkage. Function, detects the selected gear and sends the signal to the ECU, gear position sensor. Location, inside the transmission or near the shift lever depending on the vehicle. Function, communicates with the dashboard display and ECU to show the correct gear. Transmission Control Module or TCM. Location, near the transmission or under the dashboard depending on the car model. Function, controls shifting and processes gear position data, wiring harness and connectors. Location, runs between the transmission, ECU and gear display panel. Instrument cluster. Location, inside the dashboard behind the speedometer and tachometer. Function, displays the gear selection to the driver. Common causes of P0818. Faulty transmission range sensor, damaged gear position sensor, wiring issues or loose connectors, faulty TCM, or instrument cluster malfunction. How to fix P0818. Step 1. Check the transmission range sensor with a multimeter to ensure correct voltage. Step 2. Inspect the gear position sensor to verify proper gear detection. Step 3. Examine the wiring and connectors for breaks or corrosion. Step 4. Scan the TCM for additional error codes. Step 5. Test the instrument cluster if gear display is wrong. The P0818 code can cause serious shifting problems and dashboard errors. By inspecting these components, you can diagnose and fix the issue before major transmission failures. Watch these related videos next. P0502, vehicle speed sensor, low input, and P0503, vehicle speed sensor intermittent signal. Like, share and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car diagnostics.